Honestly, there's worse ways to start your morning. It truly is. Good morning. Running around this little nature preserve we have near us. Have a family photo shoot coming up this Sunday. This would be a Tuesday. Just trying to get some ideas of the lighting and what it's going to be. It's going to be a morning shoot, like 10-ish. So I'm going to have sunlight up. Hopefully we'll have a little cloud cover, and that'll help diffuse it. But very excited about it. It's been a very exciting few weeks around the photography ranch, if you will. We got some stuff in motion. Things have started to really move. Changes have started to happen. And I'll give you some more details on that in a little bit. That's a treehouse. Built by that guy who's got the TV show, the treehouse guy. I don't know what his name is. But that's one of the things they've got here in this park. It's really cool, and I've got an idea for a composite shot that I want to do here. Hopefully I get this in here to do with this whole walkway that they have around there, and maybe I'll show you that later. You'll probably see people coming and going in the background. It's kind of really cool. They do like a classroom thing in here for the kids involving superheroes and nature. I'll shoot some video and put that up here so you can kind of get the idea. But it is a really neat location out here, one of the many. So back to what I started out talking about. Things are changing. I need to be more versatile. I need to be able to do more things. Doing senior portraits, doing family portraits, great, fantastic, love it. Love being out here in nature and doing that. Everything I've done is natural light and outside. What happens when snow starts to fly? Not many people are going to want to stand in the snow for a portrait. So I took my birthday weekend, anniversary weekend, and did a little sprucing up around the house. I built a studio. Yeah. I now have a very small, but I think very effective portrait studio in my house. And there's a reason why I did this. I've got to diversify. I'm not going to be able to just survive on doing outdoor portraiture. So what do I mean by diversify? I think a lot, I won't say a lot, I guess I can't speak as an expert on this, but I know of a few photographers that have given up the business after not being in it very long. And I look back and I wonder why. And I think my reasoning at least is they didn't diversify. They decided they wanted to do one type of photography. That's all well and good to specialize and focus on an area and try to be the best at that. I think we all need to have an area of specialty. I don't know what my area is yet. I'm still looking for it. My game plan here is, you know what, let me take these off. I just realized I do a lot of these videos lately with these on because I'm outside. I apologize for that. I know you all want to see my pretty face a little bit more. I want to expand into different areas and give myself more opportunity, A, to learn new things, and B, more revenue streams, more ways to make income with photography. I opened the indoor studio. Now I have an option to do headshots. I have options to do formal portraits. I bring people in out of the cold. I have an opportunity to make revenue through the cold weather. I'm hopeful. we'll see. Yeah, decided that wasn't for me. I'm not sure I have the right shoes to go mudding today. Had to take a breather. Got a little warm. Had to take the sweatshirt off. So, just to kind of wrap this thing up. So, really, this is another update. Let you know what I'm doing, where I'm at. The whole idea here that I'm looking at in my plan is not just to get pigeonholed into one little area of photography. I want to learn how to do more. I want to learn how to do real estate photography. I'm going to get into product photography more. I have a friend who approached me about doing photography for his stuff. So we're going to try that out. I'm looking for multiple ways to make money at photography. Now, does that mean that eventually I'm not going to settle on one thing and that's where I'm going to go? No. Does that mean I have to? Probably not. I know a lot of people, or I should say I know of people who make a lot of money just doing one thing, sports photography. Headshots, you know, it's possible to do that, but when you're starting out, you got to photograph everything from babies to seniors to parents to turtles. Turtle photography, it's a thing, or it will be. So that's the update for this time around. I continue working it. I'm pushing for it. I am going to win at this. And I'd like to see you guys start winning at what you want to do too. So this is kind of why I put some of this stuff out here, is to hopefully encourage others that are looking to follow their passions, follow their dreams, and maybe take a chance on it. So thanks for watching the episode. I appreciate it. Hey, thank you to all our new subscribers, all of them, I think 7, but I appreciate every single one of you. I truly do. So give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, ring the bell. It'll update you when I put up my next episode, which could be tomorrow or could be next week. I'm still a little helter-skelter on that, but I'm working on that. So another one will be coming, I do promise. Until then, bye-bye.